So, how effective is Autoglym interior shampoo? Spraying it on a dirty vehicle mat, giving it a light scrub, and then wiping it with a dry microfiber. How much difference will it make? Let's find out. Okay, so I'm going to give it a light spray. Just going to let that dwell for a short while. Now I'm going to give it a scrub. I'm going to give it a wipe. Right, now I'm going to take the tape off. Move that over a little bit. As you can see, it started to make a bit of a difference. Probably have to do it a couple of times just to try and pull out some more of the dirt. There's a clear difference between the left where the product was used to the right hand side where the product wasn't used. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Please do consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you in the next upload. Ta-da for now.